President Mrs. Alamitu Omid, Vice President Dr. Gatlawak Ruan, and other top leaders of the region have arrived in Itang Special District as part of their ongoing efforts to foster peace, unity, and development in Gambella. This visit underscores their dedication to rebuilding trust and cooperation among the diverse communities in the region. As the leaders entered the district, they were met with overwhelming enthusiasm. Crowds of residents lined the streets, waving flags and banners, expressing their optimism and support for the new administration. The joyous atmosphere was palpable as the people, who have long yearned for stability and progress, poured into the town square to greet the leaders. During their visit, President Alamitu Omid and Vice President Gatlawak Ruan addressed the gathered crowd, emphasizing their commitment to inclusive governance, fair distribution of resources, and ensuring that all communities in Gambella have a voice in shaping the region's future. They highlighted the importance of unity in overcoming past challenges and moving forward together. The residents of Itang Special District, in turn, voiced their appreciation for the new leadership's efforts to bring lasting peace and development to the area. Many expressed hope that this visit would mark the beginning of a new era of collaboration and growth, with the government working closely with the local communities to address their needs and aspirations. The visit to Itang Special District is seen as a significant gesture of goodwill, signaling the new administration's resolve to heal divisions and build a brighter, more unified future for all people in Gambella.